Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see a resume in Excel. I saved that resume as PDF. So first of all, I will open that and explain it to you. This is the resume I prepared in the Excel. When I search my name in the Google bar, I am getting my details. Did you mean my full name will be here? In the left side, my profile and personal details, my socials here, and my education qualification here you can see, and the second one my work experience, my first last working company and previous working company, and in the right side you can see my socials here. When you click them, my socials will be opened, and in the right side in the related searches you can see the functional skills and technical skills. Also academic projects are here. You can go to the previous next pages, or else you can click the page number here. Okay, let's jump to the next page. You can see here image and my remaining education qualifications, project experience, and other experience you can type here. Also you can type your subjects proficiency. People also ask for the extracurriculars and church for memberships you have. You can go to the next page. Here you can type your remaining working experience. Also in the right side you can type your another details if you want. In the related searches you can type your key achievements. Okay, next jump to the next page. Here this is an empty page. You can type in the right side anything else. In these text boxes you can type your another working experience or related experiences and skills. In the related searches also you can type any different things in each boxes. Now I will open the Excel file. This is a McDonald workbook. I will give the file download link in the description. You can download this and you can edit your details as well. Enable content. Okay, you can see I will search something in the search bar. I can clear this by this clear button. This is the clear button. It will be clear. I will search something. You can see here in this text box something work experience here. So I will type work. Okay, I will click the search button. The work that cells will be selected. Okay, now I can clear this. Okay, you can see in the socials I will click my Facebook icon. My Facebook profile page will be opened. Also I will click my Instagram page. This is my Insta page. Also you can see my YouTube link is here. My YouTube page will be opened. Okay, finally my LinkedIn page. Then you can jump to the next page. Here you can see it will jump to the next page. The next page, page number 3. This is the last page. Okay, there are only 4 pages. We can jump to previous pages as well. Okay, now we will jump to the 4th page. By clicking this we can jump to there. Now we will jump to the first page. Right. Okay, in the second page you can type your another details. This is the 3rd page and 4th page. In each pages you can search something. Here you have word related or key achievements. I will search key. Okay, let's search that. That is selected, you can see. Okay, let's clear that. So how I prepared this, you can see. Let's jump to the VB editor. Alt plus F11. Here in the each worksheets, the same codings here in the each sheet. Okay, to clear that, the next page, for the page 1, 2, 3, 4 and previous page, and this is for the search button. For the search button, I use an image, but for the clear button, I use the command button from the developer tab here. If you want to design, click the design mode, then you can work on that. Right click and properties, you can work on the properties, or double click the clear button. Okay, after designing everything, you can off the design mode. Now this is fine. You can search something. I will change this word, my company, previous working company name. Okay, let me search, will be selected. Okay, let's clear this. After preparing this, if you want to print this, just select the first page and shift key and select the last page. Or if you have only first three pages, just select first three page. Okay, now I will select all pages. Print this, Ctrl and P is the shortcut. You can print this as letter format. You can print. Okay, in the next step, I will save this. You can see this is the one. I will open it. It is saved. Okay, here when you print this CV as PDF, you can type your name here. Google will ask, recommend for your name. Like that way you can design your CV. Okay, you can change your name here. You can change your profile, personal details, and education and working experience here. Also the skills you can change here. To change your social icons, you can download the PNG social media free icons from website. I downloaded them already here. You can see, just I will open one of them. Just right click this, copy, and open a web file, and right click and paste this. You can minimize this. And get your Facebook profile link, and right click and hyperlink. You can paste it here simply and click OK. Then it will be your social media icon. Just then you can copy and paste it in your Outlook signature, or like here. I will upload this Excel file. You can download from the description. Thank you.